Do you want to know how you can log into your Vistra Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Vistra Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Vistra Payroll login and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Overseas Connect by Vistra. Go ahead and write down your username on the first box and password on the second box. After you've written down your password, check your password once and then if it's correct, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Vistra Payroll account. If you can't remember your password, go ahead and click on this and you can reset your password, and if you need any kind of help, this is the link for you. I hope this video about how you can log into your Vistra Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.